View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome, ladies and gents, to this quaint lake house cottage on the renowned South Branch Lake, celebrated for its premier bass fishing. This rare gem, grandfathered and nestled near the water's edge, promises an experience like no other. As we step inside, you'll notice the cabin's open floor plan, featuring a windowed front wall that presents uninterrupted, dynamic views of the lake. Every day here offers a different experience, from breathtaking sunsets to serene moonlit nights and lively water life scenes. Now, let's step outside onto the expansive patio. Boasting over 1,000 laid bricks, this space serves as the stage for a custom-made fire ring. Complementing this setup are the handcrafted Adirondack-style chairs, perfect for evening gatherings, stargazing, or cozying up by the fire with a book. For cooler weather, you can be warm cozy by the wood stove and propane heater, which have enabled the current owner to enjoy year-round stays. While this property promises an authentic off-grid experience, it does offer a few modern conveniences of electricity by a generator and a satellite dish. While there's no existing septic system, it's believed that one can be installed, pending necessary designs and soil tests. The encompassing land is owned by the Penobscot Nation, bringing with it certain protective restrictions. For instance, hunting on this land would require a permit. Offered at a price below $250,000, this cottage presents a rare opportunity to own a lakeside cottage at a cost that's increasingly hard to come by. The price is $200,000 by the time of recording this video. This is your chance to own a piece of paradise. If you like this home and want to contact an agent for viewing, please click on the link in the description under property link.